Saudi Aramco, excavation, and trenching, question and answer. Question 11. How close can cranes operate to the edge of an excavation in Type C soils? A. The depth of the excavation. B. 1.5 times the depth of the excavation. C. 2 times the depth of the excavation. D. 3 times the depth of the excavation. Answer: C. 2 times the depth of the excavation. Question 12. When should a documented excavation inspection be performed? A. Only before starting work. B. Before initially entering and after any change in site conditions. C. At the end of each work shift. D. Only if problems are noticed. Answer: B. Before initially entering and after any change in site conditions. Question 13. What should be done if an excavation is left unattended overnight? A. Cover it with a top. B. Erect barricades and provide warning lights. C. Fill it partially with soil. D. Post a security guard. Answer: B. Erect barricades and provide warning lights. Question 14. What is the maximum lateral travel distance for personnel in an excavation? A. 5 meters. 16 feet. B. 7.5 meters. 25 feet. C. 10 meters. 33 feet. D. 15 meters. 50 feet. Answer: B. 7.5 meters. 25 feet. Question 15. How should ladders extend in an excavation? A. At least 0.5 meters, 1.6 feet, above the top of the excavation wall. B. At least 1 meter, 3 feet, above the top of the excavation wall. C. At least 1.5 meters, 5 feet, above the top of the excavation wall. D. At least 2 meters, 6.5 feet, above the top of the excavation wall. Answer: B. At least 1 meter, 3 feet, above the top of the excavation wall. Question 16. What type of soil is described as the least cohesive, such as gravel or sand? A. Type A soil. B. Type B soil. C. Type C soil. D. Stable rock. Answer: C. Type C soil. Question 17. Who is considered an excavation competent person? A. A general laborer with no specific training. B. Someone with knowledge, training, and experience in excavation hazards. C. A project manager with minimal excavation experience. D. Any site worker with basic safety training. Answer: B. Someone with knowledge, training, and experience in excavation hazards. Question 18. What should be done if there is water seepage into the excavation? A. Continue working as usual. B. Ensure proper drainage or dewatering measures are in place. C. Ignore it if it is minor. D. Fill the excavation immediately. Answer: B. Ensure proper drainage or dewatering measures are in place. Question 19. What should be used to prevent personnel from being exposed to possible cave-ins? A. Regular inspection. B. Adequate shoring or protection methods. C. Warning signs. D. Safety barriers. Answer: B. Adequate shoring or protection methods. Question 20. What should be done if an excavation is considered a confined space? A. Continue work as usual. B. Ensure there is an emergency rescue plan. C. Only allow certified personnel to enter. D. increase ventilation and ignore other precautions? Answer B. Ensure there is an emergency rescue plan. Question 21. What should be the minimum distance for operating cranes from the edge of an excavation in Type B soils? A. The depth of the excavation. B. 1.5 times the depth of the excavation. C. 2 times the depth of the excavation. D. 3 times the depth of the excavation. Answer B. 1.5 times the depth of the excavation. Question 22. For which soil type does an excavation plan by a degreed engineer become mandatory if the excavation exceeds 6 meter, 20 feet, deep? A. Type A soil. B. Type B soil. C. Type C soil. D. Any soil type. Answer D. Any soil type. Question 23. What is the allowable method of protection for Type A soil? A. Only shoring. B. Only sloping. C. Benching, shoring, or sloping, depending on conditions. D. No protection needed. Answer C. Benching, shoring, or sloping, depending on conditions. Question 24. When must spoil piles be positioned a safe distance from the excavation edge? A. Only when the excavation is deep. B. At least 0.6 meters, 2 feet, from the edge. C. When heavy machinery is operating. D. Only in wet conditions. Answer B. At least 0.6 meters, 2 feet, from the edge. Question 25. What should be done to protect individuals and equipment from hazards around the excavation? A. Erect barriers and warning lights. B. Use loud warning signals. C. Place reflective tape around the excavation. D. Only use caution signs. Answer A. Erect barriers and warning lights.